Hi beauties, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Y'all, it is literally the day after Christmas. Yes, I said it, the day after Christmas. It's been so crazy, but I hope all of you guys had such an amazing Christmas. The reason why I say it's been crazy because this whole entire week has just been so busy for me and my boyfriend. We have been running the roads, going to different family members' house. It's been a lot, but it's been so fun. It was really nice to see all of my family and just get to spend time with them. Y'all, that's the best part about Christmas. Anyways, even though it's the day after Christmas, I still want to turn myself into Santa Claus. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. We're gonna be turning myself into Santa Claus. I know my face looks weird right now. I was trying on some different makeup products that I just bought, but today we're gonna be turning myself into Santa Claus. I am so freaking excited. Before we dive in, if I'm talking a little bit lower in this video, it is because my boyfriend is in the other room. He's actually still sleeping. It's in the morning time right now after Christmas, so yeah, it's a little quiet in this video. Also, if you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, also the bell button, so that you can get notified every time that I post a new video. Now let's go ahead and turn myself into Santa Claus. Ho ho ho. First things first, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution soap brow and I am just soaping up them brows, baby. I am sticking them straight up and we are gonna make my brows white today. I'm so excited. Now I'm just going to be taking my Fixline eyeliner from Ofra Cosmetics in the shade White Rabbit, and I'm just going to start making some hair-like strokes across my brows. So how was everyone's Christmas? Like, I seriously want to know what y'all got for Christmas. Please let me know in the comments. I don't know, something about just knowing what everybody got for Christmas. I don't know, it just makes me happy. I love to know what everybody gets. For me this year, Christmas was super fun, like always, super busy. I have a lot of family and my boyfriend has family as well, so we were all over the place. But like I said, it's always so fun. I always get to see family that I don't get to see pretty much year round because of how crazy busy everybody is. But yeah, it was so much fun. I loved hanging out with my family. I also did some baking this year for the first time ever, which was so fun. I made like these little treat boxes, and oh my gosh, you guys, they were so cute. I handed them out to a few of my family members and I hope everybody loved them because I worked really hard on them. I did like some chocolate dip stuff. I baked some peanut butter cookies with a chocolate kiss on top, and I think they turned out amazing. I just hope everybody loved them too. Okay, y'all, I know my eyebrows look really big and like blocky, but we're doing Santa Claus. We need them to look more bushy, like, you know what I mean? So trust the process, trust the process. Moving on, I am such a psycho for makeup, y'all. On Christmas Eve, me and my boyfriend stopped at CVS and I literally spent $100 on new makeup. So I'm probably gonna be using most of it today because why not? I picked up a few Flower Beauty products because I've always wanted to try Flower Beauty, but I never have gotten around to it. So I've been using this Flower Beauty. It's called the Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. I used it to clean up my eyebrows and I'm about to use it just on my lids, and then I'm gonna set my lids. Okay, before I start on the face makeup, I kind of want to try this on just to see where I will need the face makeup. I really don't understand why there's two straps though. Like, I'm really confused. Oh, give me a minute. Okay, this is not working. This is not working. Why is this so long? I don't know where we're supposed to put these straps at. I think I successfully like got it to where it would stay. I might not be able to move my mouth a lot. This is just so funny. And I honestly have to like trim around here. I don't know. This is, I got this off of Amazon. It was like a set with the wig and stuff. So it like, and it wasn't that expensive. So, you know, it's probably not the best quality. But we're gonna make it work, girlies. Woo woo. So obviously when I do my face makeup, I'm only gonna need my face makeup from here up. So I'm probably not gonna do much makeup down on the bottom half of my face. It might look a little weird, but you know, trust the process. And y'all, Santa Claus is coming to town late, but he's coming to town. When I saw this brand at CVS, I about fell on the freaking floor. I finally found some Joah Beauty. Literally, any drugstore that I go to around where I live, they do not carry Joah Beauty, and I've always wanted to try this brand. I watched this girl called Miss Paige Corin on YouTube. She actually lives in the town over from me, or the city over from me. She lives in Jacksonville, and I live in Yulee. But she always raves about Joah Beauty products, or she's always talked about Joah Beauty products, and I always wanted to try it. So of course I picked up a primer. I'm obsessed with primers. Have you seen my primer drawer? Like, obsessed. I picked up the Pore De-Activator Pore Minimizing and Mattifying Primer from Joah Beauty. So we are going to try this baby out today. I'm so excited. I already did use the Selfie Ready setting powder on my eyelids, and it looks pretty nice already. This is pore minimizing. It feels, ooh, it kind of feels silicone-y. I don't know how I feel about that. Look at me priming the half of my face that I said we are not going to be doing makeup on, but my skin looks pretty nice. Like, honestly, my pores kind of did vanish. Usually when I prime, I like to let it set for at least 30 seconds before I go in with my foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and just let that set for 30 seconds, baby. Recently, I've also been wanting to try a new foundation, and my friend Jade always raves about this one. This one is from Makeup Revolution. This is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I am going to go ahead and use this baby. I've heard the coverage on this is amazing. I got the shade F3. And I did test it out this morning. Like I said, I was like trying on makeup, you know. I did test it out this morning, and I honestly think this is a really good skin match for me. Okay, I did kind of take the foundation down a little bit lower to where the wig will actually cover it up all the way. And honestly, y'all, I do think my skin looks really nice. It covered up my redness really well. I wouldn't say it's full coverage to me. Like right here, maybe it's the primer that I use, the Joah one, but I don't know. I wouldn't say it's full coverage. Like I did one layer, as y'all saw, and right here and right here, it still looks a little like I can see through it, you know what I mean? But nonetheless, it looks really cute. So let's go ahead and move on. Oh my gosh, you guys, I almost forgot about this. I picked up the Flower Beauty Jet Set Invisible Powder Spray. I've been seeing this on TikTok. My friend Sydney actually tried this out, I believe. And y'all, I've been hearing really good things about it. So I'm gonna try this out today. It's like supposed to be a spray setting powder. Like, how innovative. I freaking love it. Let's try it out. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. Final consensus. I feel like I'm not completely set all the way. Hold on. Let me try to take a powder puff and kind of pat it in a bit, maybe. Pat it in. Oh yeah, that made it way better. Okay. After the powder puff, I definitely look a lot more set, even in the camera. Maybe that's the tea. Maybe like spray and then take the powder puff and... But yeah, I didn't really like the way that it completely looked like when I just sprayed it. But then when I took the powder puff over it, that finish. It looks nice. Now I'm just gonna take my Makeup Revolution eyebrow pencil and I'm gonna start mapping out where I want some of the wrinkles to go. If y'all hear yard work in the background, it's because my neighbors are doing some yard work. But now I am kind of just blending out where we laid down the eyebrow pencil. And I'm also taking my new Estate Resort palette. I'm using the shade Reserve and Covered Up just to kind of blend those babies out and make them look more shaded. I kind of want to see what it's looking like so far with the mask, so oh yes, baby. Am I looking like an old Santa Claus? Am I? It looks like these little like kind of smile lines were being covered up a little bit, so I am gonna bring them up just a tad because I really want the cheekbones to be prominent because you know Santa's cheeks are big and rosy. Okay, now that I have this nice and blended out, I think it's blended out to the way that I wanted, but if not, I can just go back and make some different touches later. I'm gonna be going in with this blush balm from Flower Beauty. My friend Sydney Slays also talked about this over on her TikTok, and I love me a good cream blush, so I'm excited to try this. This one is in the shade Melon. I also picked one up in the shade Bitten. This one is a nice berry shade, and I love a good berry blush, but I feel like Santa Claus has more of a peachy, like bright blush, so we're gonna go in with this one today. How I usually like to do my cream blush is just to put a tiny bit on the back of my hand, like so, and then I'm just gonna take some on the beauty blender, bounce all that excess off, and put the blush right where I want it. Ho, 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 who wanna go? Ho, ho, ho. Y'all, this is kind of tripping me out right now. Like, the nose contour up close, obviously it kind of looks rough, but like from far away, you tell my nose is, you know, it's not huge, but it's not small, but like I feel like my nose looks huge right now. Even though this is Santa Claus, I still want to give him some highlight. I love highlighter, y'all. I'm gonna be going in with the Ofra Cosmetics Glazed Donut highlighter. This highlighter is so beautiful. Oh, I'm in love. I'm looking at it now, y'all, and to be quite honest, I don't need to add much more besides like the finishing touches. And I'm also probably gonna go ahead and add some mascara and maybe a tiny pair of lashes just to make it, you know, pop a little bit more. Y'all, I'm over here acting like I'm almost done when I haven't even done the body paint yet. I still gotta do the dang body paint. What am I thinking? Okay, beauties, I threw on a different top so we can start on the body paint. For the body paint today, I'm gonna be using this huge CC Beauty 36 pan cream paint palette. This thing is huge. You can find it on Amazon. Am I holding it upside down? No, I'm not. But I'm just gonna be using this white shade right here because I'm almost out of my white face base and I have to get some more. But for the red, I'm gonna be using my Indi face base. I absolutely love these. These are the colored foundations. You guys can use code SAY10 on their website for money off. If you have not tried these and you're a creative makeup artist or you just want to play around with like colored foundations, you need to try these. And they're coming out with metallic ones next year. Metallic! First things first, with my Makeup Revolution eyebrow pencil, I'm gonna start drawing out how I want Santa's coat to look. Okay, beauties, this is what it's looking like so far. I only have the Indi Beats face base down so far, but now I'm going to be going in with the Face by Kareme X Hipdot palette. I'm going to be using this baby to do some shading and stuff on the jacket. Also, I did want to say, if you do not celebrate Christmas, I wanted to say happy holidays to you as well. If you celebrate Kwanzaa or Hanukkah or whatever you celebrate, I hope that you and your family had a very, very happy holidays. Okay, y'all, now that I have the red part of the suit pretty much blended out the way that I wanted, I honestly wish that I would have like done the creases on each side, like going both the same way. I don't know why I did that, but it's okay, we're moving on. Now I'm gonna be taking my cotton balls and liquid latex, and for the white part, instead of painting it with the CC Beauty cream paint palette, I think I'm just gonna go ahead, take my cotton balls like I did for my Mrs. Claus look that I recreated, and make this part cotton balls. So let's do that. Y'all, I am actually so excited because I got a ton of gift cards for Christmas. Per usual, I usually ask for gift cards for Christmas. Like when my grandparents send me stuff, they usually send me money or gift cards. And then when I ask my mom for stuff, I usually ask for gift cards because it's just easier, you know, to go buy whatever you want. But anyways, my boyfriend also got me some gift cards, and y'all, I'm gonna be doing some shopping this week. I'm hopefully gonna be hitting some sales this week. And I'm pretty sure last year I did a video where it was like things that I bought with my Christmas gift cards. So if you guys want a video on that, please let me know. If you guys didn't know, I'm a haul junkie. Like, I don't know, something about hauls, like I just love them, whether they're like Christmas gifts or like buying myself stuff hauls, like makeup hauls, clothing hauls, like house decor hauls. I love a good haul. And after this week, I will have plenty of stuff to haul. I think like I will have plenty. It won't only be makeup stuff. Last year I tried to only stick to makeup stuff, but this year I'm gonna be buying some clothes, some other products as well, maybe like some food products, stuff like that. And I think I will include that as well. I mean, shoot, why not? Y'all, this is looking absolutely so freaking cute. Like, I love it. I still have this much left. I still got to do this side, but nonetheless, this is looking so cute. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna make this still look like a gap. I'm gonna try to maybe just make it wider with eyeliner or something like that and outline. I don't know, I'll figure it out, but this is looking so cute. I love it. Okay, beauties, I'm pretty much done with all of the makeup, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add on the wig and the mustache and the hat, and we are all done. All I have to say is ho ho ho, y'all. Ho ho ho. I'm honestly kind of sad that it's so long that you can't really see the jacket part that much, but y'all, I'm Santa Claus. I'm Santa Claus. This is so cute. Honestly, I'm loving all the details. I think the nose part, like all the wrinkles right here and everything, is my favorite. This mustache is a little much. It's not my favorite. It's weird, but it was cheap and it got here really fast off of Amazon, and I really wanted to do this look for Christmas time. I know that it was a day late, but y'all, I'm so glad that I decided to do it. I'm Santa Claus! Now I am off to film some TikToks in this look. I am going to take a picture in this look. I'm gonna edit my YouTube video and try to have it up by the end of the day as well. As I said before, I hope you beauties all enjoyed your holiday with your families and your loved ones, and overall just had an amazing holiday. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave me a red heart in the comments if you stayed here till the end. Also, if you aren't already, make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I will leave them both linked down below. I have way more content posted over there, and I post more on the daily over there, so definitely check it out. Thank you, beauties, so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, beauties!